It's okay right there.
Right in the butt.
Go on, go get him.
It hit me right in the neck.
Don't hit the baby. Careful, careful, careful. Don't kick the baby. This is not going to go up if you guys, only if you guys are up there. If you guys get up top, the Sage will climb up. There you go.
Oh, man.
Oh, go get her, Sage. Go get her.
Don't.
You got to stay where she can see you or she's not going to climb. Go get her, Sage. Go get her. Yay, going getting. Oh, that's some good getting. Oh, we got you.
No.
Oh, we're flashing red light on the camera. What's that do? What's that do?
See you can.
Whoa! Go get her.
Yeah.
Oh, you're doing so good in the crawling. So good in the crawling. Oh, keep going. Whoops. Hold it up there. Hold it up there. She's gonna climb all the way up. She's gonna climb all the way up. Whoa, that was not a good plan, Sage.
What wasn't a good plan?
She almost fell down the stairs. Oh, keep going. You got it. Little more. Little more. Oh, she's gonna get him. Go get him. Go get him. Oh, so close. Come on, keep going. Go get him. Go get him. So close. Last step. Yay! Clappy clappers. Yay, baby Sage. Clap, 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 clap. Oh, clap, clap, clap. Is that a fun camera? Baby Sage doing some climbing. So fun. Oh, so fun.
You have a ball. For 2 hours. I got a ball.